The 2024 Numerals are back in Gemma Square after a long road trip. This was drove by an Arkia, and thanks for Roshiba for that, for bringing the Numerals here. And we did a dress rehearsal on December 7th. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Yeah! Look at that beautiful, perfect. Oh my golly, look at that beauty. Oh my gosh. At 11:59, we start a 60-second countdown. Joined from people around the world, counting down the final seconds of 2023. And when it hits midnight, the ball goes dark, the Numerals light up, and we bring 2024 with a huge celebration. We hear Old Lake Sign and more. It's 2024 and we're ready to party. 2024 has been installed on top of the building of Gemma Square. This is so awesome, Numerals. With the confetti cannon shooting out literal square confetti, using our confetti test, using that on December 28th. This is actually pretty cool. And also, we have a very special guest. The ball switch that is used to light the ball. Thanks for Waterford to make the ball. This is very special. We can't wait to celebrate 2024 with you. Stay tuned, everybody. Enjoy 2024. And also, our confetti, ball switch test, is on December 29th.